Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is John from Volkswagen Planet. It is December 9th, 2019. I am currently in Tampa, Florida, where it is 80 degrees. That's right, 80 degrees on a December 9th day. So as some of you guys are up there shoveling snow, Sam is down here on a little bit of vacation on his jet skis, out there enjoying himself before the big night. But that's another story. So what I'm showing you guys here is currently in the front, we've got the 1972 Super Beetle. This is the one that we've been working on, seems like forever. It actually has birthdays that it's been here for so long. And if you look right back in there, that's the 1974 standard car that I bought for like 350 bucks. It's a parts car. I think it's a Sunbug edition. So let me show you what I've been doing with that parts car today. So what I did is I took the door off the car and I oiled up all the tracks and everything else. I'll get you this way here. And it's a complete car, except for this was the car that I told you that was clipped in the rear end for a trike. But it's still got a bunch of good parts. You know, the window regulator still rolls up and down, and it was just a really good parts car. I'm going to take you over here. This is where, let's see if I can show you guys here. This is where I had the problem in the I Need to Help video. What had happened was these two bolts right here were exposed, and this one here was actually on the door jamb itself behind the cap, like I explained to you in the previous video. So, lesson learned, but thanks again, guys, for reaching out. All your comments were greatly appreciated. Like I said, I know I probably would have figured it out, but you guys probably saved me a good, probably 10, 15 hours, because my time is really limited. So, again, that was a great help. Now, when it came down to here, I did spray some PB Blaster in it, and I actually walled out the bolt that went into the frame of the door jamb. So I took a impact screwdriver and just made it worse. So unfortunately, I just had to whack off the handle, the hinge, I mean. But nothing ventured, nothing gained. This is a parts shell and everything else, so hopefully we don't need this, but I'm sure we could replace that if needed. But I seriously doubt it for this project. So like I explained a couple minutes ago, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all this hardware that's still good, like latch mechanisms, handle rods, and I'm going to convert it over to the parts that I need to complete the doors on the 72. I'm pretty sure almost all the parts will interchange, but like I said, I'm missing all the bars, the rods, and so this would be a good time for me, one, to get the experience to see what's going on behind the door panels, and actually get this completed. I know I'm bouncing around. I know it's not healthy for me, but I just needed a break from the electrical. I had to step away, so I still want to keep myself busy, or I'm afraid I'll lose interest and just not get back on this. So I decided to take the door off. I'm going to take that door and I'm going to build it on here. So you would ask, why not just take that door and mount it on this? Well, why would you want to do all that when you can spend a couple of hours and have a really good door that doesn't really need much of body work? Like I said, it's a really clean door. It's the original door. It's the original color. So like I said, why mess with it if you don't have to? So that's what's been going on here. Like I said, it's real hot. It's almost like a spring day or a good AM day in the summer. We're up in the 80s. And like I said, it's just a really good day, beautiful day out. I'm going to spray that with PB Blaster over here, let it sit overnight, and hopefully we'll get a crack on this in the morning. I haven't looked at the manual yet. As you can tell, my little workbench going on over there. There's the Sawzall that I use to get the door off. PB Blaster, a must for all of us VW folks. But again, I'm going to look at the Bentley manual tonight and see how all this runs through here. So thanks for coming along. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave a comment or don't. I said thank you guys again for all the new subscribers. Thank you guys again for all you original subscribers. Our subscriber count is going up. I appreciate it. Thanks for the support. And you guys really drive me by the comments. Like, for instance, this morning, I had a really bad day. I went to bed about 5 o'clock in the morning. And I couldn't get out of bed. It was like 9:15. And I had to take double my medication dosage just to get moving. The arthritis is really bad today. But I reached over, grabbed the phone, looked at the comments, and it gave me just enough, just that little kick in the butt to get me going. So thank you guys. I'm very greatly appreciative. So keep those comments coming, and I'll keep these videos going. So you guys take care, be safe, stay warm, God bless, and we'll catch you on the next video.